Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday, very special day. We're gonna do a ride to the lake and a bunch of Audis, sponsored by the Audi Club North America, and there's a few TTs that showed up, so I'm gonna try to document most of that. It's gonna be fun. Different groups are gonna leave the Starbucks here and then do the ride to the lake. That's gonna be super cool. So cool cars showing up, great people. Looking forward to this.
Set that pace. The tails are going to make sure that they do via radio. Again, we don't want to lose anybody out there. Granted, we have the app that we have.
All right, guys. Here we go. We got an R8, another TT. It's a V6, and some other cool cars. And the Mazda R8 is behind me, which is the tail car. That's gonna be crazy. Let's go. All right. It's gonna be a spirited drive. I wish I could capture that on video, but I can't. Got some cool cars behind me too. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Guys, this was a fantastic event. Chris, congratulations, man. It was super cool. 3 groups, spirited driving through some country roads. Can't wait to go again in some of my other cars. And that V6 TT, she's insane. She made me drive more spirited than I was hoping for, but it's cool. Yeah, so anyway, I know there's a ride to a barbecue now. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it there. Got other things to do today, but again, incredible event, and can't wait for next year to do it again.